Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Meet the Rothenberger Professional Soldering Machine. This tool is not just for soldering. It's perfect for brazing too. With a working temperature of up to 950 degrees Celsius, you can tackle any job with confidence. The 5 interchangeable burner inserts allow you to shrink, heat, and even remove paint with ease. Whether you are in plumbing, HVAC, or electrical work, the Rothenberger Superfire 3 is your go-to for repairs and service. Its durable brass and stainless steel construction ensures longevity, while the piezo ignition makes starting a breeze. So why wait? Get the Rothenberger Professional Soldering Machine Superfire 3 and elevate your work to the next level.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.